Ever wondered why so many superheroes wear red, yellow and blue?
What's another primary color? Anybody?
Red.
When Spidey is all tangled up in fighting Mysterio or the Green Goblin, these colours become an important way to identify and separate the characters and also experience those opposing punches through colour with maximum impact.
You guys have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love drawing. And
Yeah, me too. I love it so much. It's one of my most favorite things to do.
Same. But seriously, I mean, I draw quite a lot.
Me too, but I love seeing you guys' drawings. Loved it. You guys are really, really good.
Maybe one day you guys will be a famous comic creator, right?
Yeah, I mean, that's like my dream job, being a famous comic book creator.
Keep on drawing. That's what you gotta do. And you're creating them now. That's very important.